Hey everyone, the Beats Powerbeats Pro 2 is designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts who demand superior sound quality, comfort, and advanced workout tracking. This latest iteration features an improved fit, enhanced music performance, and heart rate monitoring to help users optimize their training sessions. With the inclusion of transparency mode and active noise cancellation, the earbuds offer a versatile listening experience that balances awareness and immersion. Comfort and stability are central to the Powerbeats Pro 2's design. The ear hooks have been reinforced with a nickel titanium alloy, ensuring a secure fit even during intense workouts. The earbuds are also 20% lighter than the previous generation and come with 5 ear tip sizes, including an extra small option for a more customized fit. Their IPX4 rating provides resistance against sweat and water, making them a reliable companion for rigorous exercise routines. Beats has taken audio performance to the next level with personalized spatial audio, incorporating dynamic head tracking, adaptive EQ, and an improved acoustic architecture. These advancements deliver a well-balanced sound signature, featuring crisp highs, rich mids, and deep bass. The ANC feature effectively minimizes external noise, while transparency mode allows users to stay aware of their surroundings when needed. The addition of LED optical sensors enables real-time heart rate tracking, a valuable feature for fitness tracking. This functionality is compatible with numerous workout apps, including Runna, Nike Run Club, and Slopes, providing seamless integration for various training regimens. Connectivity is another highlight, thanks to Class 1 Bluetooth technology, which ensures a stable and extended wireless range. Apple users benefit from one-touch pairing, hands-free Siri, and Find My support, while Android users can customize settings through the Beats app. Seamless connectivity enhances usability across different devices and ecosystems. Battery life is a strong suit of Powerbeats Pro 2, offering up to 10 hours of continuous playback on a single charge and an impressive 45 hours when combined with the charging case. Fast fuel charging feature provides 90 minutes of playback from just a 5-minute charge, ensuring minimal downtime. Redesigned charging case is 33% smaller than its predecessor and supports wireless charging for added convenience. Priced at $249, Powerbeats Pro 2 will be available in black, sand, purple, and orange. The earbuds will be released in stores on February 13th and can also be ordered through Apple's official website. With its blend of premium audio, fitness-focused features, and ergonomic enhancements, Powerbeats Pro 2 stands out as an excellent choice for active users seeking top-tier performance and convenience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.